Pure and simple. The fourth and final definition in the dictionary: that which in every respect matches its name, complete. It's the shortest and the heaviest. Pure and simple means something is exactly what it claims to be. Nothing more, nothing less, nothing hidden. The pure and simple truth. Pure and simple chance. Pure and simple madness. The words after pure and simple are always something that can't be argued with, something that just is, without reservation. It's a hard standard to live up to. The front of a bottle says natural. The back says sodium lauryl sulfate, coca-midopropyl betaine, methylchloroisothiazolinone. The front is advertising. The back is law. When is something pure and simply natural? My great-grandmother didn't know it in that way. She didn't use the words, but her soap was pure and simple soap. Not because she called it that, but because there was nothing to hide. That's the difference. Pure and simple isn't a claim. It's a consequence. Something you can see when you turn the bottle over. I started this series with a question. What does clean mean? In Danish, it's one word. In English, it took two: clean and pure. Between them, the dictionary gave 5 answers. We've been through all of them. Washed, cleansed, free of harmful substances, free of pimples and blackheads, free of added elements, free of calculated motives, complete. None of them is ocean breeze. Maybe we don't need to redefine anything. Maybe we just need to be reminded of what the words already mean. That was plain truth.